Do you know that there is a brand new website that can pay you for completing easy tasks online? I've just discovered this new website and I felt like sharing it with you so that you can make a whole lot of money without doing any hard work at all. And the best part is that it is 100% free and you don't even need any experience to get started. Before I reveal this brand new website to you guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know. To get the best of results, you need to follow every step in this video. Here is a free software that will do all of the work for you. Before I explain how it works, you will need to visit this brand new website called cjinc.info. Now, this website can be accessed from anywhere in the world. India, Philippines, United States, Canada, or Australia, it doesn't matter your location. This website is free to join and you don't need any investment to get started. This website will enable you to earn a lot of money without doing any hard work. If you want to maximize your results while the software does the work for you, you can also do market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, online teaching, and many more. To show you how legit this website is, you can see testimonials from different people from all over the world. As you can see, people have made a lot of money using this website, so this is a proof that this website is real and legit. We will focus on online proofreading jobs, and all you need to do here is correct grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and factual inaccuracy. You don't have to be an English expert, you don't need to be fluent. All you need is a free software that will do all the hard work for you. Now just click on this button and continue clicking on the online proofreading jobs for more information like how it works, the nature of the job rates, and the exact amount they'll be paying you. I will also show you how to apply for a job and where to get these articles so that you can also get paid per job that you accomplish. I hope you're learning something new from this video. If yes, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now go to cjinc.info, scroll down a bit and then click on this button. Then download application form and you'll find a registration form that you'll need to fill out. You'll need to choose a job, which will be proofreading, and then provide your first and last name, your email address in order to get future job opportunities, and then adding your birthday, your gender, and marital status. After you're done with that, enter your phone number and country in order to get in touch with you. If you want to get more jobs, I recommend that you choose Employed and Freelancer on the current professional status section. And then under Availability, I strongly recommend you select that you are available all day. Now for this part, I recommend you select multiple company. And for the payment option, I recommend PayPal. So I would select and enter my PayPal address and hit the submit button. So after you've applied for jobs in proofreading, they will send you an article to work on. When it's time for proofreading, go to app.grammarly.com for proofreading. As you can see, the process will take less than a minute to complete. It's really simple and it's really easy. I think that anyone can do it because it requires no previous experience. You don't have to sell anything. It's just one of the easiest ways to make money online that I found recently. As you can see, making $569 per day by proofreading and submitting articles is easy as ABC. Just implement the step-by-step strategy in this video and start making real money from the comfort of your home. Do you want to earn big bucks for little work? Click here. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.